You just don't study enough. If you studied more, you would pass this course easily this semester. Studied is used in the second conditional, indicating a hypothetical present or future condition. Would pass is used for the hypothetical result, indicating a future possibility. Here, we could also use the zero conditional. If you study more, you will pass the course, suggesting that studying more is a general and effective way to pass the course. That's easy for you to say. You always get A's. Sometimes I don't. It's not automatic. I don't get A's unless I study hard. These sentences also remain in the present because the speaker is explaining their own general approach to getting good grades. They are stating that they do not always get A's, but when they do get A's, it's because they study hard. Again, this is describing a general truth or a habit. I suppose you're right. If I were you, I would try to do better on the next test. Where is used because this is a second conditional sentence referring to a referring to an unreal or hypothetical situation in the present. Would try is used for the hypothetical action or advice in response to the hypothetical situation. Also, on a side note, if I were you has been the traditional and grammatically correct form for a long time in English, and it's what most style guides and formal writing recommend. While if I was you might be used in casual speech is not as precise from a grammatical standpoint and in more formal context. If I were you is the preferred choice. That's all for this exercise about if clauses mix conditionals. Thanks for watching. And if you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to Easy English Joy for more content like this. Bye and see you next time.